We'll guide you through how to find locked chats on WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to access and find your WhatsApp locked chats, maybe you just want to go and browse through them, maybe you want to go and start replying to the messages, or even you can go and unlock them and add them back to the main chats page here. We'll guide you through everything you need to know, as there are different ways you can go about it. First of all, I am just going to go unlock some chats to go and show you we can then go and find them. So for example, I could come into this chat here, I'll press the name at the top and we can then scroll down and find the option for lock chat. I'll lock it, I'll complete the verification method, which is Face ID for me, and that's locked. Alternatively, you can go and tap and hold on a chat like this, for example, then you can go and press lock chat, or you can go and swipe on it from right to left and you can then press more and you can press lock chat. So there we go, I've now locked some chats. So to go and find them, for the first way, you can go and drag down on the chats page, literally like so, and it'll then go and appear above archive. So drag down and it should then appear. If it doesn't, don't worry, we'll cover that in a moment. Then what we can do is go and press lock chats and it'll go and unlock it using the verification method, and we can then see them here. So what I can then do is go and tap on them and start seeing it. Of course, I can go and send a message as well if I want to. And if you want to go and unlock it, you can go and tap and hold and go and press unlock chat, swipe on it, or you can tap on it, tap on the name at the top and switch off lock chat like so. Now, if you can't go and see that lock chat option at the top here, this is because you need to go and use the code you would have set up. To go and show that as an example, if I go and press settings in the top right here, now I didn't have this set up, but I'll just show what happens if I did. I'll go and tap on it. I'll go and type in a secret code like so and press next in the top right and confirm it. I'll switch on hide lock chats like so as well. Now, if I drag down, you can see they don't appear. You need to press search at the top and then go and type in your code, and then we can tap our locked chats and access them. That's it. So you'll need to go and use that secret code you set up, and then you can go and access them. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future. Have a great day. Goodbye.